Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download images from Pinterest account. So let's get started. So if you want to download images from your Pinterest account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Pinterest login. After searching for Pinterest login, you'll come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says Pinterest login, and inside that page you can enter your Pinterest email address and then Pinterest password. So after entering your details, just tap on login, and after tapping on login you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgotten password, and after tapping on that option you can create a new password for your account. And after creating a new password, come back to this login page and just enter the new password that you have created, then tap on login. After tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. So you can also continue with your Facebook or with your Google if you have linked your Pinterest with your Facebook or Google. So if you have linked with your Facebook, you can do that. If you have not, you just have to enter your email address and password. After entering your email address and password, just tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. Now to download images from Pinterest, what you have to do is just select the image that you have liked. So you can select from here, or you can search for an image if you would like. So after selecting the image, what you can do is just tap on that, and after tapping on that, in the middle of your screen at the top you can find this three dot icon. So just tap on the three dotted icon. After tapping on the three dotted icon, you can find the following options. So to download your image, what you can do is just tap on download image, which is the first option. And after tapping on that image, just tap on this download option. After tapping on the download option, you can see your image has been successfully downloaded. So just open this image on your file, and you can check you have successfully downloaded your Pinterest image. So that's it guys. This is how to download images from Pinterest account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.